Hey guys, it's Chelsea from Byrider out in Waukesha. We have to tell you 5 great cars on our lot. However, as you see, we have way more than 5 to choose from. But here are some of my personal favorites. To start off, we have our Volkswagen Jetta. Everybody loves a Volkswagen, great on gas, safe and reliable. Our amazing Dodge Dart, which has heated seats, heated steering wheel, huge backup cam, and right next to it, the Buick Encore. Room for your family, small enough to get everything parked and ready to go. Then we have the faithful, the wonderful 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. And then number 5, coming in with the win, is our 2011 Kia Optima. This car is slick and ready to go. Talk to you guys soon.